Hi, this is Meteorologist Steve Pelletier, and I am the Weatherman. Thanks for checking into the weathermanpod.com on this Election Day Tuesday. It is the 5th day of November 2024. Make sure you get out and vote today if you haven't done so already. And weather-wise, well, we're looking at some excellent conditions across the Northeast, not so across the nation's midsection from the Great Lakes down to the Gulf Coast. And we're also watching for the development of the next possible tropical disturbance just north of the Yucatan or in the southern Caribbean. And the hurricane season basically continues all the way up until November 30th. So up until the 30th of this month, they are still a possibility for developing, and we might have that development sometime on Wednesday or Thursday. If, in fact, we do have one, the next name is going to be Raphael. After that, it would be Sarah if we had anything more occurring. But basically, it looks like a light storm. I was taking a look at the GFS, which is the model that I take a look at most of the time, along with the Euro, and it shows that it'll probably reach the western panhandle of Florida sometime on Friday evening as a minimal either tropical storm or hurricane at this point. But again, things have been changing. The waters are very warm, so we'll have to wait for that development over the next day or two and check in with Weatherman Pod tomorrow on Wednesday, and we'll give you the latest update on that. In the meantime, if you are traveling on this Tuesday, we do find nice weather from D.C., Baltimore, Philly, New York City, and also up to the Boston area, including Albany, even out to Rochester and up in Buffalo as well. The areas of rain that I mentioned earlier extend from the northern Great Lakes, from Duluth across the Sault Ste. Marie, which is right in the center of the Great Lakes, and down to the Chicago and Indiana area, and all the way down along the central Mississippi River Valley, where there could be some locally severe storms in Louisiana, central and eastern Arkansas, western portions of Kentucky, Tennessee, and western Mississippi. And that's along that frontal system that will be arriving in the east. As it gets closer to the east, a lot of the moisture in that system is drying up, so no problems there. But in the Atlanta area, maybe some showers, but no major delays weather-wise for the afternoon or early evening hours on Tuesday. Looks good also in Charlotte, except for some showers. Dry weather in New York and Boston, as I mentioned. Rainy conditions in Chicago and down in New Orleans. Houston should be in a clearing trend, as will Dallas, Fort Worth, Amarillo, and El Paso. Out to the west, it looks like L.A., San Diego, and San Francisco all looking dry, and some drying conditions across Portland and up in Seattle, Tacoma. Still looking at some snow across Montana, and that storm that moved in to the Pacific Northwest a couple of days ago is now causing snow in the higher elevations of Montana, sections of northwestern Wyoming, central and northern Idaho, and even portions of Colorado just to the west over the Rockies and Great Basin there. And it will spell out as rainy conditions in the east. However, it is also expected to dry up before it reaches the eastern seaboard, where we need some rainfall very desperately. Weather across the Northeast holiday on this election day, you're looking at temperatures ranging around 70, New York City, 75, D.C., about 68 up in Boston, all fair. Looking at fair weather tonight and also on Wednesday, it'll reach 80 to 85, I think, in D.C., Baltimore, and Philly, about 80 degrees in New York City, 78 in Boston, all with fair skies. But it cools back. That front moves through, and we'll probably get into some drier conditions, but cooler conditions Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And maybe some moisture from that tropical disturbance could reach the mid-Atlantic or northeastern states sometime on Sunday or Monday of next week. We'll have more to say on that as the week continues. Hope you have a great election day. Get out and vote if you haven't done so already, and enjoy the nice weather through midweek. I'm meteorologist Steve Pelletier. Have a great day. Talk to you first thing on Wednesday. Take care.